SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to talk about how to turn on or turn off the autoplay setting in the YouTube app on an iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the steps. If you want to turn the autoplay setting on or off in the YouTube app on your iPhone, then you need to open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, choose the Settings option, tap Autoplay, then touch the button to the right of mobile phone or tablet. Autoplay is turned off when the slider looks like this, and autoplay is turned on when it looks like that.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.